Come take a look at stunning 2915 Kamerin Street in Randleman, North Carolina. This gorgeous brick front home on a corner lot features beautiful landscaping, rear patio, and a front porch that you have to see to believe. With space for multiple outdoor entertaining arrangements, this porch has ceiling fans and a large porch swing just waiting for a warm summer night. From the entry, the home opens to the left to the large living room with wood floors, multiple oversized windows, and a large fireplace. The airy kitchen is the centerpiece of the rear of the home. This kitchen has solid surface countertops, farmhouse sink, custom backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. It opens to the breakfast room with vaulted ceiling, as well as the formal dining room, large enough for family gatherings. Just off the kitchen is the main level powder room, the pantry and laundry room, access from the garage, and stairs to the bonus room over the garage. At the top of the stairs to the left is bedroom number 2, featuring double closets, walkout storage, dormer window, and eave storage. Across the hallway, bedroom 3 features the same amount of amazing storage. The upstairs bath has dual vanity and a separate water closet with tub shower combination. Downstairs to the right of the entry is the main level master suite. This suite has front-facing oversized windows, walk-in closet, and a luxurious master bath, boasting dual vanity, jetted garden tub, walk-in shower, and water closet. To recap, 2915 Kamerin Street features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a large bonus room, and a kitchen and dining area built for entertaining. For more information, please contact Rhonda Turbyfil 336-207-7070.